Hello friends, welcome to our channel. So I know many of my friends who never used to change their Facebook profile picture just because in Facebook whenever you change a profile picture it would show in everyone's newsfeed like you changed your profile picture like that. So in the latest update for Facebook it would come like you can change your profile picture without letting anyone know. So you can change your profile picture in FB also like in Instagram or WhatsApp without anybody knowing. So this is how you do it. Just go to Facebook and take your profile and touch your profile picture, then select profile picture. Now select the picture which you want to make your DP. Then when you after selecting it, there will be an option written below like share your update to newsfeed. Just untick it, and after you untick it, when you press save, you can change your DP just like in Instagram or WhatsApp. Now it will not be shown in anybody's newsfeed. Thank you.